Hi, I'm Faith, and today is day 15 of Flylady's beginner baby steps for getting your home and life in order. We'll continue working on our previous habits for morning and before bed routines. I listed all of these steps down in the description. Today, we're adding a new baby step to our morning routine, which is to make our bed. Flylady says that if you make your bed right when your feet hit the floor, then you're less likely to forget the step. I personally don't always make my bed right when I wake up. Sometimes I need to sneak away to get ready while my youngest sleeps in. He sometimes likes to crawl into our bed very early in the morning. Quote by Flylady is, "Every room has its own shiny sink. In the bedroom, it's your bed." Making the bed has always been one of my habits, so this step was a breeze for me. If it's a new habit that you're building, then set your timer for 2 minutes and see if you can make your bed in less than 2 minutes. One way that a simplified bed making habit is to have less pillows. I used to have about 7 decorative pillows, and at one point I got tired of putting the pillows nicely on my bed. So I donated those decorative pillows, and now this step is one of the easiest habits that I do. Click the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more homemaking videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!